Okay, fourth grade history, unit 4? Unit 4 on the Gold Rush, performance task 2. So as a class, you're going to read the Gold Rush game using treasures. Students will create journals writing the perspective during the Gold Rush, and journals are going to have five short. Did I forget it? Oh yeah, 5 short entries containing realistic fiction. So you're gonna read California Treasure's book. So that is these pages about the Dust Bowl, and you're gonna read about why we came to California. You do not need to answer the critical thinking questions. Then it says page 704, I think, is the next one that it says there. Let's just double check. 704 to 721. So you're going to read finding out about the past, in search of gold. And so you're going to read these pages, the Gold Rush game, which was the story that I said you needed to read. Okay, that's to page 721, and then 724 and 720 through 727. So you do not need to answer this or read this, but go ahead and read this about gold and the timeline in California Gold Rush. Hint, hint, timeline here. The challenge for task 1, if I can find it, said create a timeline on the information from video 34. You can also use page 525. Isn't that awesome? I got a timeline for you. That would be a good way to get some extra credit. Okay, so to page 727, that's 725, and 26 and 27. Again, you do not need to answer the critical thinking questions. You can read them, answer them out loud, but you do not need to answer them on any kind of paper. So if necessary, you can re-watch the videos, use your notes that you took from task 1, and then you're going to start each entry containing information about a typical day as a minor in California. You're going to write your journals from the perspective of your main game character, a 49er. And so we also did our quick write as a perspective of a 49er. At this point, you should know about 49ers based off of your information that you grasped from the videos that you've watched so far. Include several details in each entry with factual information that you learned from task 1. Again, you can just rewatch the videos, look at your notes that you did on your big poster page, and then you're going to include one word from the Greek or Latin affix in your entry. So you're going to watch the videos, and then I put a link there. You're going to watch video number 34 to do your day 1, video 35 and 36 to do day 2, to help you with doing day 2, video 37 to help you with day 3, video 13, 31 through 33 for day 4, and a short descriptive journal entry for day 5. Edit your grammar in your journal entries, and your challenge is to create a journal entry that includes the characters does after his or her journey through Stockton. So what happens in the end. So day 1, journal entry, you've got the page right here. It's got your topic sentence, your 3 details, and your closing sentence. Remember, this needs to include some facts or detail from video number 34. Okay, then you've got day 2. You've got day 3, day 4, and day 5. Once you finish day 5, go back, make sure that everything's checked off on your checklist. And if you want to see if you're getting an A, B, C, or a D, look at this, which is called a rubric. So your goal is to get at least a B. So complete each of the 5 journal entries, include at least 1 Greek or Latin affix in each entry, and edits your English language grammar. In order to get an A, you have to do the challenge. Okay?